Hi guys, this is Farz and I am here with another color grading tutorial, and I will give this preset also for mobile Lightroom and for the desktop. So let's get started. At first, copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J and then convert it to smart object, and then open it with camera raw filter and go to the basic, and I want to increase the temperature. I think plus 11 is fine, and decrease the tint. Yeah, it's fine. And I also decrease the contrast. I think minus 36 is fine, and I want to increase the highlights a little bit. Plus 17 is fine, and also the shadows. Yeah, this is fine. And now I have to decrease the whites totally down. Minus 100 for whites and minus 64 for black. That's fine. And I have to add some clarity. I think 23 for clarity and minus 14 for dehaze and 40 for vibrance and minus 17 for saturation. So this is fine. And now go to the curves and click on this icon and drag it to the up. I think this is fine, and create another point. Yeah, I think this is fine, and also another one. This is good, and the last one. So create a curve like this, and then come into the detail option, and I want to add some sharpness. I think 29 is good, and in the noise reduction I am giving 10 for noise reduction here, and then 75 for detail and 7 for contrast and 5 for color noise reduction. That's fine. And now coming to the color mixer option, and into the hue I'm giving minus 19 for orange, minus 96 for yellow, and minus 99 for green, and plus 99 for aqua, then 25 for blues, and 4 for purple. That's fine. And now go to the saturation, and here plus 6 for red and 14 for orange, minus 65 for yellow, and now minus 100 for green, then minus 97 for aqueous, and minus 65 for blues. That's good. And now go to the luminance. 14 for red, 24 for orange, 26 for yellow, and then 77 for green, 40 for aqueous, and then 75 for blues, and 83 for purple. Look at this, it looks really good. And then come into the split toning option and into the highlights, I am giving 185 for hue and 22 for saturation. And into the shadows, I'm giving 60 for hue and 5 for saturation. That's good. And now coming to the effects, and I have to add some grain. I think 15 is good for me, and I want to increase the roughness a little bit. 60 for roughness, that's fine, and minus 13 for vignette, that's good. So the basic color grading is done, and now I want to add a profile and go to this vintage option, and here I want to select vintage 6 and decrease the opacity. I think 36 is fine. So look at this before and after, it looks really good. And now press OK when you are done. So let's see the before and after again. This was the before and this is after. It's really good. Let's try with other images also, and I'm applying the exact same value. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. It looks great. And another one. So look at this. It creates a model. So if you love this, please hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.